Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2017 Toyota Yaris 5-door hatchback standard package in the Alpine white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This is a one-owner vehicle with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 106 horsepower with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Side mirror adjustments, automatic high beam, pre-collision system, hands-free controls, lane departure alert, 6.1-inch touchscreen display with Bluetooth audio and the hands-free calling, USB and auxiliary ports, traction control off, power windows and locks, black interior in great condition, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.